Hello everyone. So this is the second part of our tutorial for Flipgrid. So this time this is for our students on how they can join the discussion, so they can install the Flipgrid app or open a Google Chrome and go to flipgrid.com. So here I've installed my Flipgrid app. So I've opened it and I'm going to type the code. So again, the code will be given by your teacher. You can actually get it from any social media where your teacher posted it. So in our first video, the teacher uploaded it or posted it in Google Classroom. So I'm going to type the code. So I'm using the Flipgrid app here. Okay. And then once you're done typing the code, you just click go. And then you will be asked to join. You join with your using your Gmail account. I'm going to use my Gmail account here. So I'm going to pretend that I'm a student. And then after that, you will proceed to the Flipgrid discussion made by your teacher. So you can click the camera there so that you can respond to the post of your teacher. So here I'm going to answer my teacher's topic, which is introducing myself. Or introduce yourself. So here, if you're going, you can actually be creative with your video presentation. You can actually add some stickers. You can add also some decorations, some borders. So it's up to you if you want to add, or if you think those decorations are necessary, or it will make your response better, then you may. As long as it's needed, okay? It's not a requirement at all, but if you want to, or you can put some text if you want. So there are features like this in Flipgrid, okay? So if you want to make a response, which is also, you have these features, this kind of decorations or arts in, if you're going to use also your laptop or desktop. So I'm using my phone here, the Flipgrid app. So I'm now recording my response, so introducing myself. And then after that, you can actually review.
Hello everyone, my name is Marian Soriano and I'm your Science 10
you can
teacher.
review your video,
and what I like about
video
science
project
is that
or your response before you will submit it to your teacher.
Almost all the mysteries in life. That's why I like science. And I'm a very curious person.
Okay, so if you're okay with your video response, you may take a selfie of yourself. This will serve as the cover of your video response in Flipgrid. You can decorate it if you want. You can put some stickers, you can put some text. So you can do whatever you want here as long as it's needed or it doesn't make your video response that much. And then of course, you have to put your name. Okay, I put here DM as my name. You can always go back and edit and then click submit if you're okay with that. So you've successfully posted your video response in Flipgrid discussion made by your teacher. Another way is discussion using the QR code. So I'm going to scan the QR code. So there you go. Let's see how simple it is, and you can
Hello everyone, my name is Marian Soriano.
Here's another way. If you don't have the app, you open a Google Chrome browser and then you type flipgrid.com and then you can type the code here. Okay.